Purdy. There. So let's see what happens. Okay, a little bit fat. We can work with fat. Fat is okay. Fat is good. But that angle's looking really good. I like that. Here. "911, state your emergency. We're both idiots." It's getting better. Hey, we got to spill. Did you get that? So there you have it. This is a fun one, and if you've never seen a spill plane before, I have several videos on that. Also, if you want to see more detail into the how-to of this was made, I have an entire channel where I do more detail, where I actually talk through the process and take it step by step. So if you want to see that, I'll leave a link to that down below. This is a kit from Red Rose Productions. I purchased this a while ago and have been wanting to build it. It comes with all of the instructions, the iron, the screws, and everything you need to make this except for the wood. So you can have a little bit of fun making one of these yourself. I'll leave a link to that kit down below as well. For those of you who do know the channel, you'll know this is the second time I've attempted it. There's another one where I did a total mess up on it. Everything was going great until I got to the last step and then drilled the main hole in the wrong place and basically destroyed the plane. And this one was learning from those steps. So if you want to see a link to that video, I'll try and show that down below as well. This is not a beginner's level project. This is something that takes a lot of wrapping your brain around to get all those angles right and fit it. The first time I tried it, it took me 3 or 4 tries to actually get the wedge right and fit in. This one I was able to get on the first one, but that's because I've had those others to learn from it. But if you do want to take your skills one step farther and have a little bit of fun wrapping your brain around things and making something happen, this would be a great kit to play with. So have a little bit of fun and push yourself around. You might be surprised at what you'd be able to complete. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. I know you've heard those things 100 times on other channels, but those really do mean a lot and they help the channel grow. So thank you for doing that. Also, if you want to take it one step farther and help out monetarily, you can click the join button down below. We have a few other features we do with that, as well as patreon.com. We do videos of live in the shop while we're out working, so you can follow along live with that. I think that's about it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day.
Oh, come on, James. Don't cry over a spilt plane.